Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and today we will be looking at BTC, Ethereum and SXP swipe price actions. I hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and this will help to take your own trades. Bear in your mind, support and resistance lines for the BTC and Ethereum might change. As usual, before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting your time, let's start. Let's do some recap. These are the levels from the last week. However, resistance line that we've been following more than 2 weeks hasn't been changed. However, in the last video, on the 3rd of April, the price was around $58,000 and we expected that this minor support supposed to hold. However, with its own name, it's a minor support and that's not guaranteed. And as we can see, the price came all the way in the middle of the support, and as expected, I was expecting the upper line of this support, which is 57,000, 56,800 supposed to hold. As you can see, we saw a week and then we went and we tested the $59,000. Retested this line, dollar to dollar, week to week rejection, and since then we are just going up. So the levels played out perfectly. As I said, these are the old levels and we will be looking at weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is a bit concerning because in the last 5 weeks, as you can see, first week, second one, third one, fifth one, we started week 6. So in the last 5 weeks, we could not manage to break the level of $60,000, which is concerning. If we cannot manage to break, then we will see some sort of consolidation, maybe some sort of dump in the market. That's the concerning point of it. As you can see, first rejection, 2 red candles when we reached to 40,000, and then we managed to break the 40,000 level. And this will remind me, as you can see, as you remember from the daily time frame last week, which I mentioned like 5 days, we couldn't manage it and we saw a minor correction in the market. So weekly as well as the daily time frames looks perfectly healthy. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. When we look into a 4-hour time frame, we are still under the bull's control and nothing to worry about it. And as I said, we've got new levels that you see. The resistance level of 60,300, 58,100 hasn't been changed. However, the support levels has been changed. 2-hour time frame. As I said, within this region, that 2-hour time frame will be under the consolidation zone. So we did consolidate about 48 hours or so, and then with today's price action, we went all the way up. However, we see another rejection without reaching to our resistance line. We're trying to get out of the consolidation zone. 1-hour time frame. When we look into a 1-hour time frame, still we are under the bear zone. And this is concerning. Same scenario applies under 30 minutes time frame. So as we are getting the mixed signals, the bullish scenario, as long as we're going to just break this resistance and we are good to go towards our target zone. First target zone, as you remember, $65,000, and then next one is going to be $68,000 and $70,000. However, if we're going to see a rejection again from this line, lower line of this resistance line, I doubt that this time the 57,000 will hold. And then first level we have to watch is going to be around $56,000. There is a chance that we may go, because lower time frames, as I said, 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame underwater, we might go and test 55,200 level. And the 4-hour time frame, I'm following this parallel channel as usual. As you can see, we have a confluence. Median line of this parallel channel matched with our resistance line. Lower line, it matched with our horizontal support line. As I said, if we're going to lose this time, this level, then highly likely this is going to be our first scenario, 57, 56, and then second support that we have down below, $55,200 and $54,000. Also, I updated via Twitter account that I said this is going to be a rejection box under a lower time frame. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, 2-hour candles, we've got number of candles got rejected and then retested the previous low, exactly dollar to dollar, week to week. As you can see, we hold it perfectly and then we started moving towards the upside. So this rejection box we're not going to follow anymore. On the daily time frame, since the October, we started pumping and then we started printing a higher highs. And at the moment, as I said, if we cannot manage to break $60,000, $61,000, if we don't see this scenario, then highly likely we will see a lower highs, which may send the price action up to $40,000. where our weekly support level is. So it is too early for us to talk about it. I will be following the price action in the next 48 and 72 hours. And still, as I said, it is too early to talk about the 40,000 level. Moving on to Ethereum. Before we move on, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available, which will take you 5 to 10 hours to master, and that is including scalping, which is day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading system. These are the old support lines. So as you can see from the last week, as I said, highly likely this level of support 1960 2015, highly likely, as I said, it will hold. So this level played out perfectly better than BTC. We came right inside the box, we saw a rejection, and then we went, retested again. Since then we are going up. However, we have a new support and resistance lines starting from 4-hour time frame. We don't need to look into a daily and weekly time frame. As soon as we managed to break, as you remember, 1700, 1750, I said we will be moving on towards the bullish side on the 4-hour. You can see perfectly retested. Since then we are on the bullish territory. So from the retest, you've been already up by 20% spot profit. With current price, we're already up by 18% spot profit. 4-hour time frame is healthy and bullish. 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, as soon as we broke again 1700, we are already on the bullish zone. So still 2-hour time frame is under the bull's control. As long as we do not lose 1900 and 1840, we are safe. If we're going to lose lower line of this support line, which is 2000, then 2-hour will be in the consolidation zone. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is also under the bull's control. So the target prices are still the same. Primary target, as I said, 2200, and next target is going to be 2500. However, I would say you have to be careful with these support lines. I would advise you to play level by level. Moving on to SXP. But before we move on to the SXP, I would like to show you recent updates. In the last 48 hours, I've provided ZIL, KNC, and SXP altcoins. And as you can see, KNC played out perfectly, and we had 25% spot profit in less than 12 hours. The next chart that I provided was SXP. And as I said, I was waiting for the minor pullback and it will give us a buy chance. And I said that SXP is extremely bullish. So as you can see, you had a stop loss and the target level was around $5 and $5.10. After that, we had a massive profit of 18 to 20% spot profit in less than 48 hours for the ZIL. On the lower time frame, you can see perfectly we broke this resistance line, gave a nice pullback of around $4, and then since then 4-hour 2 candles were reached over and beyond of our target zone of $5 and $5.10. So less than 24 hours, we've been already up by 30% spot profit. With the current price which I've provided, you had already 25% spot profit. Again, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. For the instant updates for altcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.